What really happens to your brain during an orgasm? Pleasure, passion, and a powerful explosion inside your brain. But what really happens up there during an orgasm? Is it just about the body, or is your brain the true conductor of this electrifying symphony? Today, we are diving deep, really deep, into the science of climax. From dopamine surges to temporary loss of self-awareness, you'll be shocked at what your brain does in those few seconds of ecstasy. Forget what you think you know. The truth is more mind-blowing than you imagined. Stick around, because your brain's not just along for the ride, it's driving the whole thing. An orgasm is a complex interplay of physical sensations and profound brain activity, culminating in a powerful, pleasurable release of sexual tension. Far from being just a physical event, it involves a fascinating cascade of neurological processes and neurochemical releases that impact various parts of the brain. Here's a breakdown of what happens in your brain during an orgasm. Build-up and arousal. Genital sensory cortex. This part of the brain, responsible for communicating with the genitals, becomes active early on, registering touches and sensations. Different areas within this cortex may be activated depending on the specific stimulation: clitoral, vaginal, cervical. Hippocampus. As arousal increases, the hippocampus, involved in memory, can be activated, potentially linking current sensations to past sexual experiences or facilitating fantasies. Cerebellum. This area, controlling body movements, starts sending signals to muscles in the thighs, glutes, and abs, causing them to tense. This muscle tension contributes to increased blood flow and nerve activity, further stimulating the brain. Frontal cortex. The frontal cortex, associated with planning and abstract thought, may become active, leading to sexual fantasies or a wandering mind as climax approaches. The climax, orgasm. Shutting down of the logical brain. A significant change during orgasm is the temporary decrease in activity in the lateral orbitofrontal cortex. This region is responsible for reasoning, decision-making, and value judgments. This shutdown can lead to feelings of being out of control and less inhibited, which is often why people feel bolder or make involuntary sounds during climax. It also makes sense from an evolutionary perspective, as fear and anxiety can hinder arousal. Surge of neurotransmitters. The brain becomes a chemical factory, releasing a flood of feel-good neurotransmitters and hormones.
Dopamine.
Released from the ventral tegmental area, VTA, and acting on the nucleus accumbens, part of the brain's reward system, dopamine is associated with pleasure, desire, and motivation. It reinforces the desire to seek out these pleasurable sensations. This reward circuit is similar to what's activated by drugs or other intensely pleasurable experiences.
Oxytocin.
Often called the bonding hormone or love drug, oxytocin is released from the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. It promotes feelings of closeness, attachment, and intimacy. It's also released during breastfeeding, highlighting its role in social bonding. In women, oxytocin levels tend to remain elevated even after orgasm, contributing to feelings of connection.
Vasopressin.
This hormone is associated with regulating sexual motivation. While present in both sexes, its levels increase dramatically in men during arousal and drop after ejaculation, influencing male desire to continue sexual activity.
Endorphins.
These natural painkillers contribute to the overall feeling of pleasure and can even help relieve pain, such as headaches, after sex.
Serotonin.
Released after orgasm, serotonin contributes to good mood, relaxation, and the common post-sex drowsiness. For men versus women. In both sexes, orgasm involves rhythmic muscle contractions, elevated heart rate, and a surge in brain activity. Female orgasms often show more extensive brain activity and can last longer. After the peak, the resolution phase. Following orgasm. Brain activity returns to baseline. Hormones like prolactin and serotonin help induce a calm, relaxed state. This is when emotional closeness and sleepiness often kick in, especially in men.